Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Knowledge Hub. Today we are going to learn about very useful function which is index. Index is useful in a way like if you want to retrieve a specific row within a sorted table. It's very helpful, and use cases can be if you want to find the best performer, if you want to find a best selling product within category or overall, if you want to find the highest salary employee with the highest salary within the department or across the company. This is going to be very useful function, and I'll show you step by step. I have already done some calculation around it, and I will take you through. If you look at the syntax, it's very simple. The first one is the row index, yani the row number within the sorted table. You want to retrieve it. This is table from where you're going to get the row, and the sort by expression, whether you want to on which basis you want to sort the table before getting that specific row. And this is order, whether you want to sort this table in ascending order or descending order. Based upon your requirement, you can use it. So look at this table. This table basically shows the salary of all the employees. First column is department, then employee name, and then employee ID, and then the salary. I have sorted this table specifically based upon the department and the highest salary within the department. So if you look at here, within the admin department, this employee is 10081 is the highest salary drawer. Is the highest salary drawer. If you look at the next department, which is IT, within IT, the 10010 is the employee with the highest salary. So if you want to know the each employee from all the departments whose salary is the highest within the department. So for example, within the admin department, the 10081 is the employee whose salary is the highest among the admin office. Similarly, if you look at the executive office, 10081 is drawing the highest salary within that department. So if you want to know, if you want to calculate similar visuals or information you want to abstract from this whole table, the index function is going to help you a lot. I'll show you the calculation how I have done it. Maybe you can do it differently, and let me know how you have done and how you are utilizing the index function. But here I will show you how I am utilizing my index function. So look at here, as I explained you, this is the index. I want to get the row with the highest salary within each department. So I want to get the first row. This is my table. This is my table, and within table I am just taking two columns, salary and the department name, and this is the order by. I want to order by salary because I want to get the employee whose salary is highest within the department. And here I am doing the partition by. Partition, I am taking the whole data set, I am partitioning data by the department because I want to get the employee within the department. Question was like employee with the highest salary across the company. Probably I wouldn't have used this partition by, but here my requirement is get the employee with the highest salary within the department. That is why I am partitioning my data by department. So this is very simple syntax. If you look at, again I will take you through that. This one is the row index, yani the row number of the sorted table. This is the table HR data set. I'm getting two columns from that table, and order by expression and this is the partition by, because my requirement is to get the salary within the department. So I'm partitioning my data with the department. So see here, if I wanted to know, give me the list of employees from each department whose salaries are second highest, I just need to change from 1 to 2. There are different explanation and use cases. You can look at the Microsoft official documentation for this. If I'm omitting the table, then order by column is must. You cannot omit both at the same time. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.